Hello, welcome to my channel. We have been solving these past papers, Additional Mathematics, paper 1, and it's May, June 2025. So we have already solved a couple of questions in this paper. So let's go to the question number 4. We have solved 1, 2, and 3 questions. So we will do question number 4 right now. Okay, so we have to solve this equation. You see, there are two types of log here. One is log base x and one is log base 10. So anyway, we have to be careful about solving this equation. So let's begin. This is 2 divided by log base x of 10. If I bring this on the other side, it will become, and instead of writing only LG, I will write log, and log means base 10. Okay, log 2 plus log x plus 4. Of course, we can combine them together as log 2 times x plus 4, right? And remember, this is base 10. Okay, can I write this thing as 2 equals and log of 10 base x into log of 2 times x plus 4 base 10, right? And if you remember this famous relationship, that if I have log of a to the base b into log of c to the base a, so these cancel and we can write it as log of c base b. Okay, so if I have same thing here and same thing here, we can remove them. Just you should remember. Okay, so this will become log base x of 2 times x plus 10, x plus 4, sorry, right? And this is equal to 2. Okay. Now, if I convert this thing from a logarithmic form to exponential form, it will become uh, x power 2, right? Uh, yeah. So it will become x power 2 equals 2 times x plus 4. Okay. So this will become x squared and minus 2x and minus 8. Okay. Uh, let's solve them using quadratic formula. X equal to minus b, so it will become 2 plus minus under the root b squared is 4 minus 4ac, 4 times 1 into c is minus 8. This will become plus and into 8. Okay, divided by 2a, a is 1, that is 2. Okay, so this is 2 plus minus, this will become 36. 36 and the root is 6 over 2. If I divide 2, it will become 1 plus minus 3. So it will be 2 answer. 3 plus 1 is 4. And 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Okay. But we know that x is positive, right? So we will not take this solution. The only solution is x equal to 4. Okay. I hope this is pretty straightforward. You should understand everything here. Okay. Now question number 5. Okay, this is also a very interesting question. We are given the equation of a circle, right? And you can see that 100 can be written as 10 power 2. So I have this circle whose center is 5, 12. So 5 and 12. This is 5 and this is 12. So this is the center of the circle and this radius is 10. So this is 5. So it is going to be 10 here and 15 here and 10 here. So this is going to be 2 here. So something like this. This is the shape of the circle. Okay. So the center of the circle is at 5 and 12. Remember this thing. Okay. And its radius is 10. Okay, now find the equation of the tangent to the circle C at point 11, 4. 11, 4 must be somewhere here, okay, because this is 10, so this is 15 and 12, okay. This coordinate, it is it is 15 and this is 12. So this thing is 12. So if I'm talking about 11, it's somewhere a little bit before. So this point is 11 and 4. And we need to find the equation of the tangent line at this point. Okay, so this line equation we need to find out. Okay, let me change the color to distinguish. Okay, so remember this line, this red line is the radius. Okay, and it is perpendicular to this tangent line. Okay, so let me try to find the slope of this radius. Slope of radial line, let me call it. Okay, so that slope is going to be y2 minus y1. So y2 is 4 minus y1 is 12 over x2 is 11 and x1 is 5. Okay, so this is minus 8 over 6. So minus 4 over 3, right? Okay, now the slope of this tangent line, which we need to find out, right? So that's going to be the negative slope, so it's going to be 3 over 4. Make sense? Okay, so this is the slope of the tangent line, and it is passing through this point 11, 4. So what's the equation of this straight line? It's easy to find. Remember the formula y minus y1 equal m time x minus x1. So y minus y1 is my 4, m is 3 by 4, and x1 is 11. Okay, so if I multiply by 4, it's going to 4y minus 16 equal 3x minus 33. So this is going to be 3x minus 4y equals 33 minus 16. Okay, and that would be much is 33 minus 16? I think it is 17, am I right? Okay, 33 minus 16, yeah, it is 17. Okay, so the answer is going to be 3x minus 4y equal to 17. Okay, so we have to find the equation of the tangent line in this form, where a, b, c are integers. So this is my a, this is my b, and this is my c. Okay, now next question. Next part. Show that C and the circle with equation this do not intersect. Okay, what is this equation? What is this circle? It represents this equation of a circle whose center is at the origin and its radius is 2. Okay, so this is the circle 2 minus 2 and so on, right? Okay, so I have this circle and I have to show that this circle and the circle C do not intersect. Okay, how can we do that? Remember the distance between this center and this center. Okay, the distance between the two center points. Let me calculate this distance. Distance between the centers of two circles. Okay, so that distance is going to be, one is of course 0, 0, one is 5, 12. So if you try to find it is 5 minus 0 and its square plus 12 minus 0 and its square, and this would be, you can see it is going to be 13. Okay, so the distance between two centers is 13. The radius of one circle is 2, right? This is 2, and the other radius is, remember it was 10. Okay, so and the distance between them is 13. So of course they will not be intersecting each other. Makes sense? You see, if I have one circle and one circle, sorry, right? Whatever. Okay, and the distance between these 2 points is, oh, I'm not good at drawing. So this distance is 13. This distance is 2, and this distance is 10. Okay, so of course they are going to intersect each other. I hope it's clear. Okay, now we will move on to question number 6. Okay, to find the x coordinates of the point of intersection of these two curves. Okay, so if I have two curves, one is this, and they're intersecting at this point, the value of y on both curves are same, right? So if the value of y is same for both curves, I can equate them together. So I can write 4 log x equals 5 minus 3 over log x square. Am I right? Okay, so let's multiply everything by log x square. I will get 4 log x into log x square equals 5 into log x square minus 3. Am I right? Okay, now this will become 2. I can write 2 in the beginning. So it will become 2 times 4 is 8. And this is log x and it's a square. Am I right? Okay, if I bring this on the left side, it will become negative, and 2 fives are 10 and log x again. And this will be plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, so let's replace log x by z. So I will have 8z square minus 10z plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, easy. So I can solve this quadratic equation by factorization, by formula, but whatever. So let's use the formula. Is it to be 24? So I can write 8z square minus 6z minus 4z. Am I right? Can I write it like this? From here, I can take 2z common outside. It is 4z minus 3. And from here, I can take 1 common outside and it will be 4z minus 3. So 4z minus 3 is one factor and 2z minus 1 is another factor. So from the first one, I can see that z is equal to 3 by 4. And the second one gives me z equals 1 by 2. But remember, z is equal to log x. So it means log x is equal to 3 by 4. And here log x is equal to 1 by 2. So if I convert this into from logarithmic form to the exponential form, it will become x equal e to the power 3 by 4, which is 0.75. And this will give me x equal e to the power 0.5. Okay, so these are the two solutions for this equation. Okay, so I will stop here. If you feel that these videos are helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.